Hello everyone, guess what? I've got a surprise for you, and truly I am excited. My update is here for EV1 Aveneer, the Brother Aveneer. The update is here, is here, is here, is here. My update is here. Let me show it to you, unboxing of the update. Bam! This is it. The update is here for the Brother Aveneer EV1. Here it is. So let's break inside the box and find out what we have. I am excited. In this box, I think the hoop comes inside of this box here. Whoa. Christmas time, Christmas alert, Christmas alert. This is the box. This is it. I'm going to put it over to the side. And let's see what we have on the inside of the box here. Yes, it is mighty, mighty huge. You gotta love it. So let me see if I can get the camera down on the table as I open the box up. Fantastic. So let's go into the box and unwrap it and let's see what's going to happen. So I'm going to bring you up really close so we can see what's inside of it, okay? So here we go. Let's see what we have. Oh, this hoop is ginormous. Look at the size of this hoop. It is really large. Oh my goodness. And this is the hoop for the Aveneer. This is the upgrade for the Aveneer EV1. And I can just put my entire body inside this hoop and almost hula hoop with it if it had been round. Wow, there it is right there. It is so nice. It's so pretty too. Let's bring it up closer. That is so pretty. And it's got the magnetic hoops. It's a magnetic hoop with also, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and that is nice. And they've protected it with cardboard right here. You can see it there. And just flip it back on. This is what it looks like. Let's see what else is in the box. In fact, let's take a look at what is in the back, because this is the box that it came in. And let's see what we have in the box. It said Aveneer EV1, EV1-LE. Additional features, upgrades, and accessory kit. Premium pack 1. This is what it is. Brother at your side. That is so pretty. Can you imagine how many patches that you can make on this with the automated fill? Just line the patches up. And you won't even have to rehoop. I like that. So let's see what they have on the back. It says, this kit includes items and features that will inspire you and help make your projects fun. You will receive a 16 by 10 and 5/8 magnetic frame, the matrix copy feature, and additional embroidery patterns, including a brand new dimensional embellishment technique, all included. So all of that will be included in here. It talks about the French knot patterns. It talks about the trapunto, the matrix copy, where you can just dot, all of those patches right down on the hoop. It talks about embroidery patterns, crochet, and couching patterns. So you can actually be able to crochet with the EV1 Aveneer. That's going to be nice. So let's go ahead and go into the box and see what you have. Let's see what I have here. Also remember too, if you are doing the upgrade, you got to make sure that you have already updated your system. And I have already updated my system. So, oh, here's my card. Oh, I was thinking I didn't have the card in here. But it's here, it's here, it's here. Yes, the card is here. So we've got our card here. There it is right there. Card is there real quick. Flash, flash, flash. Okay, so, and we've got a set of instructions. Go back. You've got your instructions here in this booklet. And then we have our card. So, what we want to do is go ahead and you use this card actually to update your system. But don't forget that you do have your instructions here and you can go through and read your set of instructions. But before you can update or upgrade, not update, but upgrade your system or your EV1 Aveneer, you've got to have already updated to the next level, okay? Before you can go through and go through this process here. So that's it. I just wanted to share that with you and do the unboxing to let you see what comes in the box. So what comes in the box, once again, is your dynamic hoop here. And it is ginormously big. I may have to pull my table out from the wall just to use the hoop. But it is very nice and I can't wait to use it. Also, then you get the instructions and you also get your card here. Okay? So, make sure you tune in to next time if you saw anything on this video that you like, or if you want to give me a thumbs up because maybe you learned something, that would be great. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And go out and tell someone just how much you love them or just how much you care. And don't forget, keep on stitching. See ya.